Hey, my name is Michael, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit on this 2016 Ford F-150. We put a 6-inch lift on it, some 20x10 wheels with a negative 12mm offset, and some 35-inch tall tires. And I know what you're thinking. What do you need to do? What trimming, what cutting needs to take place in order to make this happen? Here's my answer. We did absolutely nothing. Now, there's going to be potentially a little bit of rubbing on this front valance at the perfect moment. You may be going up on an incline and turning, and there may be some slight rubbing. That's the only thing I would do, is I would trim a little bit of this valance, but the customer wanted no trimming whatsoever, and so it clears, no problem whatsoever. Now, if you want to know what lift, what tires, what wheels, go watch our walkthrough video. And if you want to know what tips we have when installing this 6-inch lift kit, go watch our tips and tricks video. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps. Thanks for watching. We are the premier off-road customization shop in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If there's ever anything that we can do, please don't hesitate to reach out. Our phone number is 833-268-2577. We would love to serve you and help you any way that we can. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.